there, Laura here. Today I'm going to show you how to do this Christmas look here. So it's a very shiny, sparkly green and gold look. So for our Christmas look today, we are going to start off with the Sofx palette from Makeup Revolution. And I'm just going to go into some transition colours. If I can, I broke the lid on this the other day. This is the only problem with plastic palettes, that it's very easy to break the bits on it so the lid doesn't stay on properly. So I'm just going to go into some transition colours. So I'm going to start off with Pancake here, and I have already primed my eyes. So I'm just going to go over with that Pancake colour in the transition area. The big fluffy brush. This is a Wet n Wild one. The Wet n Wild ones that I've got here, I've got this little, see if I do it sideways, it's got this little dent in here that you can fit your finger in, which I actually quite like because your fingers don't wriggle around on the brush. It just sits in exactly the right spot. And then I'm going to go in with, I think I'll get my Real Techniques Instapop shade brush, that one with the little slant on it, and I'm going to go in with Tiramisu, which is this one here. And I'm going to put that into the crease. And I'm going to go into the slightly smaller version of that, which is a Instapop crease brush. And I'm going to go into a darker colour, so this time I'm going to go into Mud Cake, which is that one there. Oops, and now the whole lid's fallen off. It actually make holding it easier. So I don't actually use the mirrors on the palettes anyway. I'd rather just use my mirror. So I've got deepened up the colour a bit in there, and I have put my NYX pigment primer on to my lid, and I'm going to go in with some green, but first I'm going to change to the Sofx Revolution Extra Spice palette because it's got a green in here that I want to use first. So I'm going to use this green here, which is called Aurora, and I'm going to use a flat packing brush, and I'm going to put that all over my lid first. I'm just going to use an angle brush, and it's going to wing out a bit. So I've started the shape with the other brush. And then I'm going to go in with Reputation, which is a black. Like that. Now I've got black all over my hands, I have to wipe it off or I'll get it all over me. And I'm going to go in with that angle brush and I'm just deepening that outer area. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Liner. I usually use my NYX one, but I can't find it. I don't know where to put it, so I'm going to use this one today. So I've done my little wing and cleaned up the edges with some concealer. And now I'm going to go back into the Aurora green colour with an angle brush, and I'm going to run it underneath the eyes. And then I'm going to go in with my other palette and use Pine Tree, which is that first palette we used, the Sophie X first one. And I want a flat brush again. So I'm just going to use a Real Techniques detail brush. And I'm going to go into Pine Tree and put that on there. It's a richer green than the last one that I used, and it's got a bit more of a gold reflex in it. So the reason why I used the first one was I just wanted to add a bit more dimension to it. So you can see how that one's got more gold. Hopefully you can see that on camera. And then I'm going to go in with my gold liquid eyeliner, a glittery one from Designer Brands. And I'm just going to draw a line between the brown and the green there. Then I'm going to go in with my Australis Metal AF liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in Emerald. So it looks like this. So it's very light green, and I'm just going to put that in the middle to get a bit more light into the middle of my eye. And I'm just going to use my flat brush that I used that Pine Tree colour with, and just buff out the edges a little bit to just fade the edges out a little. You can see that colour. And now I'm going to get my black eyeliner, and this is my Rimmel London Exaggerate Blackest Black. And I'm just going to tightline and do my bottom one, and then I'll be back. So I'm going to go in with Pine Tree again with a flat brush, and I'm going to go under here a little bit. Just to brighten up some of that green underneath. And I'm going to get my Designer Brands glitter, and I'm just going to put it on the inner bit. And I need some mascara. So I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic in my BYS Super Slim Mascara. So I'll put my mascara on and come back.